Welcome once again to the GEO Data Design educational YouTube channel, where we give you tips and tricks on how to make working with Imagine easier, among other things. Today, we will be having a look at the Snail Trail function in Imagine. Most of the time, when we receive or download remote sensing images, analysts take their time to understand what they are going to map, while in some cases we need to look for additional features, for example, new buildings or land use changes. This task can be challenging when analysts must search for these new changes across a whole image scene. If one gets distracted, they might not be able to know where they left off, as well as which parts of the images they have already gone through. This results in the task taking longer than it should, or in some cases, areas being missed. Imagine, through its Snail Trail functionality, provides an easy way to assist analysts with keeping track of their progress and provides a record of image areas they have already viewed. A snail trail is an annotation layer indicating the areas of the image which you have roamed. In this video, we will learn how to create a new snail trail, save a snail trail, and open an existing snail trail, creating a new snail trail. To use the Snail Trail recorder, you must have at least two 2D views open. One of the 2D views must be populated with data. Another 2D view to contain the snail trail must be empty or contain data with the same projection and equal or greater extent of the data view. In this demonstration, we'll load the same Sentinel-2A imagery in the two viewers. Take note that the current screen-to-file pixel ratio must be below the threshold set in the Snail Trail Properties dialog to record a snail trail. We will set the zoom scale of the image in the second view to its optimal zoom scale by clicking the 1:1 from the Extents group under the Home tab. Click the view that contains the snail trail to make it active. This will be the image zoomed in to full extents. Click the snail trail icon from the Roam group. A new snail trail layer is created in the Contents panel under the 2D view that will contain the snail trail. Click in the Data view to make it active. Click the appropriate tools in the Home tab to pan, scroll, or roam the image in the Data view and observe the path left in the snail trail view. You can also view the snail trail properties by clicking on the snail trail and accessing the Snail Trail tab from the ribbon menu. You can change the color of the snail trail for both seen and unseen areas. Saving a snail trail. To save the snail trail to a different file name, click the File button, Save As, Top Layer As. To save a snail trail recording, click in the Snail Trail view to make it active. Click the Save icon in the Quick Access toolbar or from the File menu. If the snail trail has not been previously saved, a file selector opens for you to specify the file name and path. Otherwise, the snail trail is written to the file name displayed in the Contents panel. Opening an existing snail trail. To open an existing snail trail in an empty 2D view, we remove the snail trail we created just now and reopen it again. Open a 2D view to display the snail trail. Click the snail trail icon. Click the File button and then Open. Locate the existing snail trail in the File selector. We will load the file and click OK. To open the existing snail trail in a 2D view that has imagery displayed, open the desired imagery in a 2D view. Click the File button, Open, Raster Layer. If the snail trail is a .img, locate the existing snail trail in the File selector and click OK. The existing snail trail image displays. We can then use the roaming tools again to continue with viewing our image. As demonstrated, the snail trails make it easy for analysts to keep track of which areas of the image they have viewed. Thanks for tuning in to the GEO Data Design educational YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please post them below. For more interesting how-to guides such as this one, click the like button and subscribe to get notified when we post more content.